morning everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today is going to be a pretty interesting video. When I woke up this morning, I woke up with the intention of going online to Sephora.com to purchase the collaboration with Sephora and Mario for their new brushes. And of course they're all sold out, so I'm totally crushed, but I contacted the local Sephora that's about 40 minutes away from my house, and they said they have them in stock. So I just got ready. I'm gonna go there and hopefully be able to purchase a set for myself, and I do want to review it for you guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna go there and hopefully I'll be able to get at least one set. So let's see how the day goes. Home and I ended up getting out with two packages. So there were 3 different sets: the full brush set, the face brush set, and also an eye brush set. I ended up getting the full brush set as well as the face brush. So let's go ahead and open these. I'm so excited. Let's open up the full brush set first. So wow, this packaging is so beautiful. Hey, you ready? Wow, this is beautiful. I love how it's presented. So we have a powder brush, then we have a powder detail brush, the foundation brush, a cheek brush, a contour brush, a contour slanted brush, a highlight one, concealer, blending, detail, shadow, smudge, and a brow brush as well. Let's see. I'm gonna take out the powder brush. I actually felt them in the store. They're so soft. It's really soft. Ooh. I can't wait to use these to apply my makeup on. I love the barrel, the gold in there, but it also has a kind of a texture when you look at it. Really, really beautiful. I will also try to go ahead and do close-ups of all of these brushes for you, but I really wanted to do an unboxing. I just came back home and I couldn't wait to open them. They're really nice. Really nice. Such good quality. I know they're pretty expensive, but really, it's worth it. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see the bag. This is what I love the most. I always think, like with my brushes, I usually keep them out like this, but all the dust that's around just basically goes on these brushes, and then we apply those brushes onto our face, and there's no way that I or anyone really is going to clean their brushes each and every single time before they apply makeup. So I love that these come with a bag so that I can store all of them in there and away from the outer dust. This is a really good quality bag. I'm really surprised. I'm so surprised. But looks like this, and there's a spot for each and every single one of these brushes. Let me just put it together for you guys. Just to show you. You put them in like so, and they all go in there. And again, I will play around with these some more throughout the day, and I'll definitely do some close-ups of all of these brushes for you. So, and then it closes just like that. Oh, it's so pretty. This for traveling, this is perfect. Love how flat it lays. Doesn't take up a lot of room. Gorgeous. It's so beautiful. It's really pretty too. Good job, Mario. This is really nice. Love it. Really, really love it. Let's take one more out. Let's see, they all come kind of wrapped up and enclosed with a little plastic. So soft, so soft. This one is a powder detail brush. So this is really nice to kind of apply some powder around the eyes. Other than the master set, I also did purchase the complexion brush set. This is basically just the face brush set. So this one is for $69. The master brush set is for $119. In all honesty, it's really worth the price. But this is the complexion brush set. So beautiful. So for anyone that just kind of wants a few of these, not too many of them, it's really nice. This is basically a powder brush. I'm not going to open this because I am going to be giving it to my mom. But a powder brush, a foundation, a cheek, contour slant, the highlight brush, and the concealer. And it also comes with a smaller bag. Oh, so cute. Here. And you just apply all of the brushes in there. This is honestly the perfect set. I think I'm gonna go ahead and play with these sets a little bit more, do a few close-ups for you guys, show you how they all kind of insert into the bag. But I definitely feel that this is such a beautiful set, so worth it if you can get your hands on it. I know that it's sold out online, but Sephora stores do have them. When I actually went in there, the lady at Sephora told me there's only 6 left. You better get your hands on it. And I told her this is why I'm here to begin with. But yeah, let me go ahead and do some close-ups and I will be right back. And that's it for my review today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.